Fly, fly, fly.
Scoochie, huh?
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
I stay fresh as hell, take a pic, I might as well. Hell, drop the top and take a selfie, my car drives itself. I got white girls blushing, homie, college girls rushing on me. All my diamonds custom, so they clutching and they touching on me. Ooh, think it's vegetables, ooh, think it's edible, ooh, it's incredible, ooh, ooh, ooh. I smell like bun number 99, section full of fine dimes. Bitches staring at me saying, wow.
Unforgettable, like Nat King Cole. Gucci berry wine, I'm singing to yo. A one-man show, a human bankroll. She lost in the sauce, cause Gucci got the glow.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. Now watch me fly. Now watch me fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
I'm so fly, I don't need no flight attendant. Big Cuban link, don't need no pendant. I ain't never had no pot to piss in. Yeah, now all my records trend. Oh my, came from stealing bikes to flying another G5. I don't know why I ain't smoking this cherry pie so much, but this my life. I'm on Adderall, I be smelling high tech when I piss, like it's basketball. I drop 50-pointer on my wrist. It's Lil' Kodak, take a pic. I came home and dropped the hit. All these diamonds got me sick. I'm acting spoiled. Cut it sitting high. I feel like I can fly. So first the duff is crazy. Feel like I can die. I done finally got my wings. It made me wanna sing.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I am done it smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. Now watch me fly. Now watch me fly.
Hello traders, have a Friday evening to ya. Welcome to episode 178 of TA with me, Mitch Ray. Well, glad y'all are here. Hope you're having a wonderful evening as Bitcoin continues to consolidate within its respective pattern, consolidation pattern, which is what we would call the pennant. And in some other world, we could call it maybe just a triangle, which is a triangle and a pennant at the same time. Oh my god. Alright. Bullish conversions, bearish conversions. Oh my. Neutrality on the RSI. We have the equidistant channel we broke out of, but on no volume and still just going sideways. And we know, looking at the daily, we are within the time frame of about a week and a half max until a big move comes, because trend lines, down sloping, well respected trend lines, up sloping, respected trend lines that stem back to June 24th. All right, that's why we have thought to believe a break will be coming soon. Okay, and if you want to, we can look at the daily, but we're just looking at the 4 hour now. We're looking at the shorter term time scale of the Bitcoin price action, which has been nothing but lower highs, but not so much lower lows. If anything, higher lows and double bottoms. Alright, so that's about it. Taking a look around the market. Anything change? No, literally nothing's changed. As Rappel, still holding above that upsloping bottom trend line of our new equidistant channel, possibly our new trend. Like one, thanks to Mike 689. Yes, or 68. Forgot to unblock him. Oh, I didn't have time. I got home, locked myself out of my house, had to climb through like a burglar. So sorry, Mike, but descending triangle possibly on Bitcoin, where we at one time thought it was maybe a potential slanted inverse head and shoulders pattern. Turning out to maybe not be the case at all. Taking a look left at Ethereum, upsloping movement, just now breaking that 75% trend line of our equidistant channel. Last time we touched this, we failed miserably, and it brought us to where we are now. And that was the top of the altcoin spring, around $800 something. Bottom left of your screen's Bitcoin Cash that broke out of a downsloping trend that extends back months, but not really doing anything. Once we broke out, we've just continued skating along the top trend line of that old channel we were in. It was once resistance, and now it has some sort of support, but not really doing anything, right? Not at all. Okay. That's it, man. Let's take a look at chat. Hope you're doing well. Better than me, anyway. What's up, Caldeer, coming in from Germany? Oh my god, what time is it in Germany, Caldeer? Glad you're here. Quality Control, hello. JD, Mr. Cantomo, is this real? Probably not. Probably not real. Hope that helps. Oh, what's up, Stagging Stoner, man? Robert Kirk, Christopher Harris, man. Hola to you. 5 a.m. in Germany. Alright. Sorry to hear that, Caldeer, but thank you for at least coming on and sharing your sorrows with us, alright? Is this free real estate, Mr. Cantomo? I don't know. Is it for real estate? You tell me, man. I don't know. So Greg Morgan, like number 9. Samson, Crypto Cotter. Cheers to you, Crypto Cotter. Phil Centura. That's all the beers in the world right there. What's up, David Holler? Good to see you. Kang Logan, let's just pause the music now and hit the Jesus chomps. For the Jesus peoples, really? Right? Good. Bearish picks. What's up, Coffee Crypto? Sorry, no Irwin coffee tonight, man. All inverse Irwin coffee with alcohol and beer. All right. Matt Thompson says he's up 250% trading this week. Congratulations, man. Hello, Julia, another Jesus person. JD, I got you a cold one right here, man. Okay. Thanks for being here. Psy Girl. Oh, my God. Psy Girl talking about snakes and science in our Discord chat. Heck yeah. From Chi-Town. But no longer in Chi-Town. It's okay. What's up, Phil Centura? Well, I already said hey to you, so you're just saying catch JD. Hey, Landcap. Game here. Yeah, that's right. That's right, man. Glad you're here. Okay. What's up, Philip, dude? Hello, Princess Raleigh. Welcome. Thank you, David, man. Right back at you, dude. All right. Consolidation. Excellent point, King Logan. Hello, Estaj. Hello? Should be okay. I don't know. Hey, Billy Langford, man. What's up, dude? Luis? You didn't mean to write that earlier today. You're driving using voice text when it said that. Yeah, dude. Luis, man. I don't know, man. That was weird. It was really weird. But whatever, man. I'm not going to even worry about it. What's up, Subi Hart? My God, y'all have a good conversation going on. Bitcoin quiche. Yeah, let's get some Bitcoin quiche. I'm going to open up the first cryptocurrency cookbook full of S coins. All right. We're going to have the Litecoin platter, a bunch of fluff and no substance, right? We're going to do that, man. We're going to have a cryptocurrency cookbook, and we're going to start it and make millions. All right. Who's with me? No kappa, but mini kappa at the same time. You see what I'm saying, right? What's up, Tom Crypto Newbie? Good to see you, dude. Is that Titan Tom? Can't remember. Hello, Andy, the Twitch Jesus lady. Welcome. Bullish divergence on reality. Yeah, I guess you could say that, man. If you knew what I went through tonight, dude, I don't even know what you would say. Oh my God, dude. I want to go get some sushi, and little did I know how screwed up it'd be, alright? So I'm just getting through all this chat because there's a decent amount of it, and now we're through chat, and now we're going to go to Ethereum. Who even cares about Ethereum? No one cares. But notice what we've done here. Notice how we have somehow made it through this downsloping trend line. Ray, what's that downsloping trend line? Well, it's like, oh, Ray, we've not touched that since May 5th when we pinnacled. And since we touched that and failed, we saw nothing but lower highs, lower lows until now. Right, here we are back at it. Just saying, right? And you got that top trend line at $1,420, $1,420. Currently sitting around $200. $201.43, man. Fixed price for the most part since September 11th. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top. Everything lines up perfectly. Ethereum, oh my God, man. Can include it all. That's it, man. Nothing really spectacular to talk about with Ethereum, except we broke out of that falling wedge pattern, and we have targets, but they're not pictured because who cares right now? Because we don't even know if we're going to be kings or peasants yet. We don't know if we're going to start making lower lows or not. Easy to target though. Swing high to swing low. 298 to 380 was our target. All right, still could be that. That's it, man. Oh yeah. Wow, people are already getting sexual in chat. Wonderful. Okay, here's Ripple. Downtrend, broke out, high volume, downsloping channel of consolidation, hitting the 618 from the swing low to swing high. Accumulation levels, now bouncing along possibly the bottom trend line of our upsloping new trend that we're in. The new channel, the new Kang channel. We'll see if we can make it happen. We'll see if we'll be kings. We were able to call the bottom down here. 26 cents was our entry. Patrons, whatever. Here we are, 46.38 cents. Still holding above that 44-cent entry we were talking about just days ago. If we are to hold above this bottom sloping, down sloping, or its up sloping trend line, we need to break this white down sloping trend line. That is your consolidation pattern. Very critical levels around 51 cents. Let's see if we can hold. All right, that's it. So Matt Shaver, man, glad you're here. What's up, Jeremy Ragsdale, man? The X Factor Jesus, man. No, I was going to pick up sushi and ended up seeing my ex with her new guy there. So it's like, wow, really? That's great, man. So it was like simple sushi getting turned into like a plethora of emotions and angst. So it's just like, I feel like I'm floating in outer space right now. So it's okay. No big deal. Sideways action. Yeah, Antsy, for sure, man. Thanks, Billy, man. Glad to hear that you miss me. Miss you too, man.
Is that a join?
Thanks for looking at Nebula for me a couple of days ago. I had feeling it was going to go up a small gain, but it went nonetheless. Respect, bro.
Robert, man, thank you for the 420 contribution of cryptocurrency. I think, right? Am I crazy? No, 420 of fiat. Thank you for that, man. Seriously, thank you. I figured because I don't think anyone's ever been able to tip 420 of cryptocurrency before. Everyone's always been off because of fees, and they've not been able to hit it perfectly on the cent or the centile, right? But thank you, dude. The voice, Jeremy Ragsdale, he's here, man. He's the one. Pokeball, yes. Pokeball indeed. Don't stray with the romance of XRP. What are we talking about, Eric, man? What are we talking about? We're not looking at anything that has anything to do with romance with XRP. We're looking at technicals. That's literally it, okay? So, Bitcoin's in a pennant, which could break to the upside or downside. That's it. No emotions in this, Eric. Hey, you guys, Jeremy, talking about the Goonies. A la Goonies. That's right, man. Oh, thanks, Princess Raleigh. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good, man. How do you send tip? You send tip. There's a links in the description below. Read them thoroughly, and they will lead you to prominence. Sure thing, Luke Jones. Sure thing. Where is the 5K, 4K? I don't know, man. All the experts, they're getting stopped at 6K. Okay, so hey, Attila, if we break 57, 5800, be very careful. I wouldn't be messing around with Bitcoin past 5800. All right, don't even think about it past 5800. Scary place. We could fall very hard, very fast if we break below 5800. So just keep that in mind. Even though things look okay, we might be accumulating and holding at these levels. Don't forget what will happen if we break this area we've been holding all year. It will be very bad. That means there's opportunity. If we break the upside, things could go well. Okay, very well. For Kangs, Jamie, yes. Easier said than done, Eric. Okay, man. Easier said than done. Okay. Put yourself in my shoes. All right. For, I think it was Estosh. ARN. Here is our downtrend, so well respected. We broke it, and once we broke it, we've been respecting quite well this upsloping channel. It's been going on higher lows, higher highs since September 11th, right? Everything's been good since then. Still respecting this bottom trend line. Have we not? Have we not at all? Yes. Still not where we want to be. We want to be up here and here and here. Okay. Which we could ride to, we could run to, but make no mistake that we are approaching a common retrace that we've already been at. One with a swing high up here conservatively, the top part of the channel to the swing low, and we're at the 382. And remember, our common retrace zone is between the 382 and the 618. Okay, so between 14,714 and 21,626. That is it. That is where we would expect us to reverse our price action to the downside. This is a very steep uptrend that I don't think will last too long. Okay, this kind of steep movement up is not, you know, normally how things continue. Normally we would break out and then find some normalization down here and then start running again if we were really to sustain this. But this is just a steep uptrend, man. A very, very steep uptrend. I'm just seeing it. These don't last that long. We'll see though, you could run all the way up to 21,626 and it wouldn't be weird. In terms of Fibonacci retraces, that's it. It's not weird. Thank you. I was trying looking. I can put it on the list. Sure thing, Baja Blast, but it's a long way to fall in between 6,400 and 3,000 Baja. So sure, man. All right. What happened, Matt, man? Seth, I don't believe he's alive. I think he's gone. Yeah, you're on. Just going on a year. Okay. A year, October 31st. Literally the birthday of Bitcoin and Halloween is when I decided to leave her. Okay. So we're going on a year. Going on a year. All right. Still weird. Still sucks. Okay. 6 years. You're on. Seth is here? No, he's not. Can't tell him, he's not. I think Matt was just grasping for Seth. Seth, are you there, man? No, he's not here. Okay. I feel like IOTA broke out. We can look at it, all right? Yeah, we'll look at IOTA, all right, after Tron. So here's your ARN continuing its ascension, but for how long, I don't know, until we break out of it. It'll happen at some point, but here you are. Dude, hitting the 382, it would not be weird at all to break out bearishly. It would not be weird. We hit it. We hit our common retrace zone. That's all you have to do until it's not weird for us to break down. All right. Beautiful run up, though. Got to be proud and happy about that. Okay. But we could hopefully see 18,170. All right, Tron. Here's your Tron Connect. Tron Connect, downtrend, got as high as April 30th, right? And it's been lower highs, lower lows ever since. Ever since we hit that August, mid-August area, we had this symmetrical triangle, and then we broke out falsely and broke back down into it, and then formed some sort of channel. And there you go, man. As we expected, we said that we could stall out before hitting the measure move at this area, and it seems like we're bouncing here. And you're 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 and 4 on the top, right? And so here you are pivoting, but on low volume. And the reason why you're probably just pivoting here is because we had that bullish divergence that showed up. Cool. And your RSI had certainly some bullish divergence. Yes. So there you go. Really, man? Anyway, so let's hope and see if this can hold. Better hope for Bitcoin performance that is lacking in volatility, but we know that at this point Bitcoin's volatility chances are elevated based on the percentage of maturation of our respective pattern, that pennant triangle we're in. We're almost done. We're 75% of the way through that development. So that just means your chances of the market being volatile are higher, right? So you always have to think about it like that. Have to. Anytime analyzing altcoins, that is part of your formula. Okay, analyze Bitcoin before you analyze Tron, before you analyze Ripple, before you analyze IOTA, ARN, whatever else. Okay, whatever beanie baby you want to talk about. Okay, that's it. Yeah, GB. Well, it's an unsustainable model if that's the case, right? Doge up 10%. Oh my God. All in. All in. I can't even hear the music. It's ridiculous. Like, hurry up and stop being so terrible. It's just like this radio station, this progressive house. It's just like, sometimes it's hit or miss. Sometimes it's really scrubby. You hear it, like, I can't even hear it. It's like you can't hear it. It's like sitting at like minus 60 decibels. A joke, man.
Crypto Kai the RSI. Go to your sensei. Drink the milk. Could you please check type? Thanks. YBC ACM at Kotu EMC FC2 Ego Kai with Koju Compethny Ironic K0CN2 AOS Ligo Allowance Republic Julia Busio Canis Biabono. Pete ads.
Yeah, we can look at PTOF. PTOTF. Let's do it, man. Right now. Thank you, man, for the 565. Seriously, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Too easy. You don't get that much respect though. But dude, the top anchor points and the bottom are just too perfect, right? Be careful, be careful. Let's do the daily. 4-hour bearish divergence. Daily, extreme bearish divergence on both oscillators. Penny price action versus the downside is what is being indicated on our oscillators. Higher highs on price than your previous highs, and lower levels of relative strength and positive momentum on both oscillators. That's it, man. So, say that was the top. We have respective retraces. You can go as low as here you go, between $1.77 and $1.45. That is your range that you can retrace between $1.77 and $1.45. We're breaking the upside again because it seems like we are overall in a upsloping trend or a bullish trend. Your Patriot One Technologies Incorporated. Hope that helps. I apologize, it was too easy and too quick. I still hope it was good for you. I hope you're smoking a cigarette after. That's it, man. It's just no pattern development at all. None. Yeah. Nothing. I guess we could add a bonus anchor point 1 and 2. But you broke it, right? You broke that uptrend. It's like, okay, what does that do for us, man? Really nothing. Right. So loud. Maybe, I don't even know anymore. Alright, Loki's got to his Jameson. Yeah, I kind of feel like I need that. Getting through chat, right? Jimmy, think there's a compressor effect. I don't know, man. It seems tough when you're dealing with different outputs or whatever, right? If Progressive House is boring and never changes, then is it progressive? Well, I don't know. Sometimes the build-up can be more trancy or something. So, I don't know, man. I really don't know. Why is XRP crashing? It's literally not, James. Are you high on drugs, James? It's okay if you are, but you might be high if you think that literally Ripple is crashing when it's not moving at all and hasn't really moved at all. So don't be high, okay? It's okay. It's okay to be high. Just don't be high on Ripple. Thank you, Crypto Cracker. Hope you enjoy it. Your big old tater and little dab. Train wreck flavor of the day. I don't even know what any of that means. Alright, sounds like... I don't even know. Bitcoin trying to break out? No. Bitcoin is well within the parameters of that pennant that we've been analyzing for literally 11 days. So going on 12. Why are you banned, Doug? I don't know what you're talking about. You're literally talking right now. How can you say you're banned? All right, good talk. Let's go to IOTA. Yeah. Here's IOTA. Downtrend. Kind of all started in May. All the way back here, you hit those highest highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower lows. Great. But you broke out and you back tested this area. And you're bouncing off the 886. Good for you. Bouncing off the 886 retrace from our lowest low from August 15th. Right, we lost 88% of our value since We ran up, hit a pinnacle, and broke down, right? So you're not really showing, I don't know, there's not really bear flag tendencies, just kind of impulse down, you start rounding, just going sideways, not just going straight. Doesn't really help with pattern development. There is no pattern development right now. All right. So left. Jeez, man. We're hitting like seriously bad levels on IOTA, man. They just... Oh boy. So scrubby, man. So scrubby. Some sort of trash wedge. Okay, this is a big trash can wedge. I think you get as many touches going from the top side. It makes it more stupid, not as trashy now. Okay, so IOTA, man. All right, IOTA. It broke out of a downtrend that stems back many months. Seems like you get the top part, you get a lot of white space. But let's see, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points now. So you still have that wedge, man. It's still there, still valid with the touch points. And we've been seeing this, right? We've been seeing this kind of stuff happen across the market where you get these breakouts and you get these fractals, right? These triangles and wedges and stuff.
Sold my AMZ in at $1,999. Are these good levels to start to get back in? Seeing some bullish divergence on the daily and 4H. Thanks, Mitch.
Bitcoin's pumping to the upside. Nice. Very good. We'll look at Amazon after this. Well, maybe we'll take a look at Bitcoin. So you can all see what's happening with my alerts. Just had it. Why not? Who cares? Here we go. Breaking to the upside now after pivoting again. It's just crazy how well respected this triangle is. So moving to the upside on literally no volume once again, starting to finally show that positive momentum once again. 55 on the RSI. This is it, man. This is all that's happening. It's not really that big a deal. It could easily just sell off again. All right. Screen chat. Robert Kirk, don't ever go nuts because of a crypto. Don't ever go nuts because of that, man. You didn't even break a trend line. Yeah, you go, GB, man. It's all good. Reading chat. Thanks, John Laura, man. Right back at you, dude. Right back at you. Sure thing, Miss Cantum. Sure thing. Fireworks. Did we hit 100 likes? I highly doubt that. Not even close. Really? Why even say fireworks if we're not even close, right? We just hit halfway. All right. There's your Bitcoin. Looking at it. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon. Yeah, serious levels of bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Reason to believe we would break to the upside here, right? Reason to believe it on both oscillators. Let's go to the daily though. More significant time scale. Still plenty of levels of bullish divergence on both oscillators. So your 4 hour and your daily are both indicating penny price action reversal to the upside.
Thoughts on S&P Dow support levels.
Is that a joint?
Thoughts on S&P. We'll look at it right after this. Long range crypto, thanks for the 420 contribution. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. Just trying to chart and forget about things. All right, well, we fell below the the 200-day moving average. Right, we fell below that and retrace. Good retrace. Swing low to the bottom of the channel to the swing high. We just hit the 382. Hit the 382 with multiple levels of bullish divergence on our oscillators, 1 and 2. So it would make sense for a break to the upside to maybe retrace from a previous swing high to hopefully maybe a swing low down here. We could retrace 382 between the 382 and the 618 up here somewhere, and then break down to lower lows again. That seems like it would be the most common scenario. It seems like it would make the most sense based on our oscillators. What could happen next? And breakdown, right? This break 382 50% and then break down again. All right, very real reason to believe that, since we broke a velocity trend that extends back a very long time, or at least back from like August of 27. So a 1 year long velocity trend, right? Everything changed. That angle of ascent changed. We legged up and got this new channel, and then we've broken out severely, roughly on a lot of volume. So expect a break to the upside before another downside break, right? With this looking stuff on the oscillator. That's it. Awesome. Very good. Good eye on that. Let's go to the spider. Here's your S&P 500. Your trend or channel you've been in since the lowest low of the global financial crisis. You hit the top, you rallied, hit a higher high than your previous high with extreme levels of weekly and daily bearish divergence. So look, you see what happened? Huge breakout or huge breakdown. Had not been that oversold since August of 2015. Pretty long time. Pretty long time we have been this oversold, or this week on the RSI. Okay, so still got a long way to go before we start touching the bottom trend line of our upsloping channel that we've been in since the global financial crisis. We can go the weekly if we want. Here's the weekly. You better be freaking careful. The tech bubble, the global financial crisis, double top, breakdown, ran up. Look how far we've gone in a 10-year cycle, right? 10 years of a market cycle. If we were to break this channel ever, just make note, if this was the top, from the swing low, the lowest low, our nadir levels, back in March of 2009 to our all-time high, September, August of 2018 this year. Common retrace zone. Yes, a common retrace zone. between 1539 and 2070. That's it. Nothing weird about it. Same old stuff, even if it's a major index. Must admit. Weekly bearish divergence. Daily bearish divergence. On the S&P 500, alright? Okay. Get through some chat, and then we'll just keep moving on. That's it. Just reading this, okay? So let me read it. My biggest influence for getting me into money was my dad, but I'm not to say that he was a trader by any means. He just was very, very smart at investing. He was kind of like a Warren Buffett type, right? Like loved value investing. Wasn't a trader. He was an investor, just like Warren, Carl Icahn, right? Big guys. Like he was big into that, and so I got big into that. But then I started learning about charts and fell in love with them, and I don't know why. It was just because of his spark, I accidentally fell in love with charting because I didn't even know it was a thing until he got me into this world. Okay. So definitely my dad. Thanks, John. So my bet plans. Will Raven overtake Bitcoin? Totally, dude. Yeah, it'll overtake Apple. It will literally overtake Raven coin. Will overtake the U.S. dollar Kappa. Yeah. How much has Amazon dropped? It went from an all-time high of 2,000. No, wait. Sorry, wrong chart. I don't know. I'm not going back. So about JPP, I can't do it. Electronium is not on TradingView. Sorry, dude. So about local dinosaur. Hey, long range crypto. You're semi-lit, dude. Well, good to hear it, man. Good to hear it, man. All right. What's up, J-Man? Good to see you. It's been a while, right? When I'm excited for what's going to happen tomorrow, what do you do to go to sleep at night, or do you just rest low? What do you mean? Random question. I'm excited for what makes me excited about the next day? Let me know. I don't know what you mean, J-Man. And wake up stupidly early. Sometimes I wake up stupidly early. Yep, doing same charts over and over and over. Yep. A lot of opportunity, maybe, right? There you go. Amazon from 2050 to 1603. That's it. Emmy, you can just rewind if you want to hear about what happened. I don't really want to talk about it again. It kind of sucks. And yeah, it's just terrible. Just stupid stuff. It doesn't even matter. All right, it doesn't even matter. I'm just trying to do these charts and have fun. It's hard. It's just stupid stuff. It doesn't matter. Swing low to swing high. Remember, 382 to the 618 are your common retrace levels. That's it on the Spider or the S&P 500. Okay, that's it. 1539 to 2070. That's what we're looking for. All right. If someone wanted XLM, we could look at the US dollar pair, or we could look at the Bitcoin pair. Very, very different charts, right? So, I don't even know, like XLM to BTC, right? For instance, XLM BTC. Oh, you know it's great too. Oh, hey, guess what? 2 subs in a day. 2 subs in a day. Been streaming for 4 hours today. 2 subs. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right. Here you go, man. Disregarding this crap up here. Just 1 and 2 and 3 on the top. And then just, what happened? Why is it like that? Why is it off? And just 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the bottom with this craziness. Broke back to the upside. You can see the 25% respect there, a heartline respect, and you know you get that 75% respect somewhat along the way. Okay, seems like it makes the most sense, but you know people would just be like, oh, "It's just a triangle, man. It's just a triangle." Okay, great, good. Maybe it's just a triangle. What if it's just a triangle? Do you care? Is it really that big of a deal if there's some sort of triangle? Because guess what? You're going to deal with the same issues on that top trend line and this weirdness going on. This lower high than your previous high. It's not ever good making lower highs than your previous highs. All right? It's not. So, something you could do though? Probably. And probably people, oh, who cares, man? It's stupid. You can do an equidistant channel, right? 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom probably makes sense, but who cares, right? Just like, yep, too easy with heartline respect, right? He's got this little equidistant channel holding above the 75% trend line right now, right? That's all you can do, man. Like, this is so weird. There's nothing else you can do but this option. There's no, what, man? Like, you think there's an actual, you got 2 parallel downsloping trend lines on the top side and bottom side. That's a channel. That's not a pattern. There's no pattern here. People be like, oh, it's a descending triangle, man. Go ahead and call it a descending triangle and say that we're making a false breakout. Go ahead, fine. That's not a big deal. I could say it's a sim triangle, it's a descending triangle. Overall, it's just a channel that is struggling to break out too with lower highs. That's on XLM to BTC. XLM to US dollar tether makes a little bit more sense, right? This one's just whack. Really, really whack. On what it's trying to do to break out. All right, that's it. Oh God, it's getting freaking hot. I need to put my air on. What's up, Dave Jones, man? Good to see you. You too, J-Man. You too, dude. Your stream's down? What happened, dude? Crypto Minds, we actually looked at Doc earlier today in the day stream, right? We looked at it. No stream? I don't understand why you're saying that. Yeah, Tristan, we'll see, man. Easier said than done, or easier said than, you know, either easier envisioned than reality, whatever. Thanks, Tag the Stoner, man. Appreciate that, dude. Seriously. Dude, it's not like I don't have alcohol here, or I have alcohol. So you don't need to like deliver me alcohol. It's fine. It's just like, I don't know. I looked at 10 charts in an hour. 10 charts. Okay. 10 charts. And now it's time for your local on the 8s. Big old nothing. Big old nothing, dude.
Is that a joint?
Sold my crypto and started a business. However, had I taken your courses, I'd probably make more money, but I don't know if I'd have more fun. I love cutting grass just as much as I love blazing. It's something about two-stroke. Kappa Kappa. Landscape Palms.
Suns.llc, thanks to the 420 contribution. He sold his crypto and started a business. Hey man, thank you, dude, for the contribution, and no point in ruminating, right, too much. I ruminated a little bit today, this evening, based on a catalyst of events, but it just doesn't do you any good. So no point in ruminating. So stop your ruminating and just be happy, I guess, right? That you made a decision and you stuck to it. Right? So good. Thank you, dude. Seriously, thank you, man. And that's suns.llc. Landscape Kangs. Kappa Kappa. No Kappas. And long range crypto, I got you on the S&P and the Dow. I forgot about that, man. But look, on the 8s came, so it wasn't like we were doing anything wrong, I don't think. I got you, dude. Sorry, man. Wait, did we look at the spider? We did look at the spider. Let's look at the Dow Jones, and then we'll... I don't think we'll talk about sports. Did we talk about sports? I don't know. Anymore? I don't know. Sports. Okay, sweet. Alright. So, impulse up, pin it. You would think that with the impulse up, you'd be consolidating bullishly, but you never know when you're making lower highs consecutively than your previous highs, then your previous highs, then your previous highs, then your previous highs. God. So, we have to just expect neutrality here and say, hey man, if we're to be Kangs, this is the low risk area. The measure moves here, 6620. Right? You play this either way, man. You can play it either freaking way. There you go. Easiest of your life if it's to play out. This is exactly how you would play it. One would play a pennant or triangle. They buy at the bottom, the lowest risk areas, the consolidation pattern, and then you let it run. If you hit the windfall and break out and make the measure move, you hit 66 12, whatever, 66 20. Perfect. But then if you're one to say, hey, no man, Ray, I don't believe it, I don't believe in anything with Bitcoin, I hate Bitcoin, I want it to fail, it's so scrubby, then fine, man, fine. Go ahead and hate Bitcoin and take your short once we hit the top of the pennant. There you go, man. Neutral pattern. Easy to trade this thing on one side or the other. You can hate it or love it and make low risk plays. Okay? It's not always about being right. It's always about the low risk opportunities. Low risk, high reward opportunities. All right? So there you go, man. You can take those low. You can even move your stop up more. You're still getting insane low risk, high reward opportunity, 5-to-1 reward to risk. Okay, that's just so nice. Okay, I hope that helps. Sir, doesn't know what I'm talking about. There you go. Neutral pattern. Measure move. Measure move. That's it. Jay Clayton, man. Jeez.
I'm having difficulty making a decision on approving these damn ETFs for BitKing. I believe I will let it up to chat on this show to decide for me. Let me know.
Alright, chat. You heard Jay Clayton. Chat, type 1 for if you think that these dang ETFs will be approved in 2018, and type 2 for if you think they will not be approved for the year 2018. Jay, that's probably gonna be a good way we could look at it. But dude, Jay, man, thank you so much for the $50 contribution. As you can see, that beautiful Binance coin in the jar. Wow, unexpected. And look at the boss. Suns LLC's at 295 live. That means one person subs to this channel, just one. They become the boss. I don't think I've ever seen the HP of a boss be so low before. Actually, I think someone strategically made it 1 HP before. So we'll see. But J-Man, thank you so much again, dude. Thank you, dude. Wow. Dang, dude. Much love. Alright, it seems like a lurker just subbed, and it seems like they might be the boss of Stream Elements catches them. I'm getting another beer. Hold on a sec. I need one for sure. Yes, King Logan is now the boss. Thanks for the $8.88. The Jesus man. Thanks so much, dude. Really appreciate that, right? Thank you, man. Alright, y'all. Someone's got the target on their back, and it's King Logan, but you know, as of late, not really expecting. Like, dude, it's just like, man, you know, I'm grateful. Like, holy crap, the stuff that's happened this month has been extraordinary. But it's not even what I'm just concerned about. Like, viewer counts, like concurrent viewership, like what happened. And I know it's 10 days, 12 days we've been sideways, but it's like, dang, dude, is it really the ebb and flow that much? We've been through so much with Bitcoin this year, you know, so much up and down. But I guess we just haven't seen that much sideways movement. It's just been like, you know, looking at it, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, right? A little up, down, up, down, up, down. Craziness. Still viewers. Viewers were crazy. Still here. Up. Not too bad. Down. Oh my God. Concurrent viewership. We were getting viewer bots. People were getting us 900 viewers in here on this breakdown. But then once this volatility happened and we started going sideways, it's probably the longest we've done in a while. What happened, dude? What happened to the metric of sentiment of this market? Is insane, dude. It's like just so... People just like abandon crypto. They just drop it like a bad habit. Or just a habit of goodness or badness. I don't know. Right? Crazy, man. But yeah, I mean, like, it's been pretty volatile all year, up and down. We love it, man. We love the bullish divergence and the bearish divergence. It's been great up and down. But just now, it's just kind of like 1 month of stagnation. No free lawns here, people. It was like nothing like no free meals or something. So, tallied up for Jay. He's asking about the ETFs for 2018 being approved. Ms. Schaffer, Local Dinosaur, like it, but then most don't think it will get approved. Most actually say, Jay Clayton, that it won't get approved. So, and there are some trolls, but yeah, dude, the majority is no, we won't see ETFs approved this year. What do you think, Jay Clayton? What say you in chat? Let us know. And thanks again, man, for that contribution, dude. It's crazy. Top Jesus of the evening, for sure. Oh, it's Stuart, man. We'll check my email. Sorry about that. I don't check my email that often these days. It's just, I don't know, man. Got wrecked one too many times, Julia. What's about to happen? What happened? Oh yeah. I guess it's volatility. True, Jamie. No peasants allowed. That's it. February, if it happens, Stevie.
Thank you for drinking a beer with me, and we all got to make that paper.
Adol Wolfman, thanks for the 333 contribution to the Jesus man. Oh, thank you, dude. Much love. Right? Much love. Just drinking now. Low Dinosaur, man, you got my backed, my balked. Thank you for the balked, man. I got your balked too, which is extremely large, and I can't. I don't think I can cover a dinosaur's back. I mean, it's a lot of back, so you know. I hear you, man. Thank you. Oh, so disappointing, man. We're at 85 likes. Do you think we get 100? I mean, maybe. Chat, if you are enjoying this live stream, it would help me a lot if you just hit the like button, right? The bell, the sub if you want, but if not, it's completely understandable. Just reminding you, if you haven't and you do like this, you know, it's like whatever. If you want to see the channel grow, which I don't know if we're gonna grow with this market. I'm at the whims of the market growth, and I'm just trying to think of ways like, hey Ray, you should do stupid static videos on stupid stuff. Yes. And do a bunch of weird things. Yes, I should do that. Yes. Okay, let's go to Dow Jones. All right, who cares? You're putting 1 and 2 on the bottom and just 3 on the top. When I did that, when I made the adjustment for this pinnacle, I saw respect on the heart line very well. And then we broke it and showed that extreme bearish divergence on both oscillators, and this is what happened after. So we're still okay on the Dow Jones, right? Not a big deal. But, you know, Dow Jones, remember, it broke out of its downtrend. Like this spider, S&P 500, it's out, man. It's been out. And we created a new velocity trend, and we're approaching the bottom of that velocity trend on the daily or anywhere in time scale. It doesn't matter. Around that 24,150 range is that bottom. All right, so Dude, you gotta be just careful here. I get you're showing some bullish divergence in the short term. You got it, man. You got it. But so we could break the upside and retrace before maybe breaking to lower prices. But really difficult to kind of draw any kind of channel unless you're just looking at the 4 hour and you're plotting a couple anchor points from the top, right? That's all you're going to get. So you just need to wait and see what happens at 24,100. This bottom trend line. I think it's very important. Based on anchor point 1 from the bottom to 2. So that's February 2016 to November of 2016. That's a long time. Long time. So, see how that plays out. See how it holds. Okay. That's it, man. What's going on right now? Oh, man. Dude. Okay, so anyway. So you look at the Russell 2000 on the weekly. How disappointing it is. Anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and then 3 on the top from 2004. As you can see, beautiful levels of respect on the heart line. You ran up, you hit the 75% trend line, and you couldn't hold prices above it, and you tanked. You tanked crazy. Largest spike of negative momentum we've seen, literally, ever. This chart goes back to April of 1988. We've never seen negative momentum so high on the weekly. The weekly. Oh, dude, whatever, man. Yeah, no, not whatever. Serious, not a joke. Crazy. We're hitting now, just now hitting oversold territory, right at 30. God. Fell below the hard line. See you down at 1393 on the Russell 2000. Give you some chat. Just reading all this. Okay, hold on. Crypto King, it's just IRL stuff. That is stupid. Really stupid IRL stuff. That's it. And it's not a big deal. But I did have the balls to at least express it earlier in the show. I did have those balls. So I don't know, Crypto Minds, how many streamers do TA? I don't know. I'm sure many more will be doing them in the future. For reasons of watching my stream and thinking they can do it too. Right, thinking they can, anyone can analyze a chart, but can people captivate hearts and minds and connect with people and build a community of incredible, fantastic individuals? I don't know, man. I don't know if that's easy. Thanks, Logo Dinosaur, man. I should probably, right? Maybe feel better. I don't know though. You know, it's funny. Doing charts, Logo Dinosaur, has been a great escape for me from all this crap that I've been going through for the entire year. And like the entire year that I was escaping hit me tonight. Right? It hit me tonight. This whole life that I ran from and escaped Just wanted to go get some sushi, and it was boom, right in my face again. For the first time in so long. It sucked, dude. It sucks. Alright, so going into charts, I go into a state of, I don't know. I just forget things when I do charts, and it's really fun. I like forgetting things that are on my mind, right? That are bad, that don't make me feel good. So I do like charts because of that a lot. Oh my god, this is so crazy right now. This tech Bitcoin moved $9. Oh my god. We did it, man. We freaking did it. What's up, Mr. Note It All? Thanks for being here, dude. Philip, man, love you too, dude. You did. Oh, I am enjoying those charts, man. It's fun. It makes me, again, get away. No cryptomons. I could not play World of Warcraft to forget things. That would be terrible. $9 all in. Look at the dinosaur. Exactly, dude. All in on a $9 move on Bitcoin. All right, man. Yes. Yes. That's hilarious, John, man. Wyoming's holding to Colorado State. Holding Colorado State to minus yards rushing. That's this is what who did that recently this weekend? Oh yeah. It's what it's what Alabama did. Right, Alabama did that this weekend. Yeah, dinosaur, yeah. There's your A on, your scrub on. Swing low to swing high. Fib extension 1618 is where we're still holding on this US dollar pair. Alright, disregard, great FOMO. Oh my god, great FOMO. Oh my god, Aeon's gonna overtake the Death Star and Bitcoin at $12. $12! Do you hear what I'm saying? Aeon, Scrubby, Beanie Baby was at $12, but I guarantee you at $12 people thought Aeon was just gonna overtake literally the world. Oh, this dude, crypto, man. Aeon, dude, it's better than Microsoft, man. You don't even understand, man. You don't get it. Like, they're literal, you know, there were literal Aeon hipsters out there that thought that crap. They thought that. Pathetic. God. Screw the Aeon hipsters, man. Give me my pitchfork and my torch so I can go destroy them. Don't even come at me with Aeon. Ever. On the US dollar pair. Okay, thanks. a lot of crazy yelling on the stock market on CNBC. Yeah, that's generally what happens too. Oh, and remember, don't forget, cue in the beeps from the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Remember, don't forget that. Gotta have that. John Laura says, Wyoming, best defense you never heard of. They have a freshman quarterback that can rush the ball. Wow, dude. I didn't know defenses had quarterbacks. Holy crap. Oh my god. Kramer's in a panic, man. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god. Monkey ass subliminal free tell. What is it? Subliminal television? Are you okay, man? Okay. We have more TPS. Mitch, man, you don't understand. TPS. Yeah, man, TPS reports. Give me the TPS reports. Thank you. Alright. Alright, man. Whatever. You know this list. Thanks for the requests. All those requests, man. So freaking many of them. Got those too. Alright. It's crazy, man. So don't get mad at me when my show is like, hey, man, you don't do coins. You don't remember that guy 3 days ago? I used to like this show. You just chat too much. You just talk and engage with the chat too much, man. It's like I get what you throw coin requests at me. I do them, and then 3 hours go by, and like I'm still here, and like then I start talking to people, and they freak out. I need more charts, man. I just got here. 100 TPS reports. All right, Greg, man, let's go. Or trades per second. Good God. Oh, the Dodgers lost, man. Go Red Sox. Because our very own Drew Crew is there. Okay. Fireworks, really? We did it? I'm surprised we actually got it. Wow, thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. We did it, man. We did it. Mm-hmm. I'm a robot, no chat. Alright, let me be a robot. Will do, Stuart, man. Oh, that's right, Doc, man. Look at your Doc coin. Oh, docks around the world. The lakes around the world are getting docks. And the docks happen to be decentralized. Oh my God. All in on Dotcoin Kappa. Okay, man. Okay, man. All right, we broke out, but when we broke out, we were showing no divergence. But again, you gotta respect this upsloping trend line. Talking about one of the most respected trend lines of all time, one of the most respected channels ever. 75% touches. Heartline respect, across the board, right? Hardline respect. 25% respect across the board. Unbelievable. But then we broke it, and it's like, we broke it, We made adjustments. A more matured downsloping consolidation, flag or channel, whatever you want to call it. Impulse up. Swing low to swing high, right around that 50% retrace. Very, very common, okay? That's it, dude. That's it. Does that help? Crypto Minds, let me know if it helps. Thanks. Wyoming lock of the year. Get wrecked, dude. Can we look at Tron Connect? David, we looked at Tron earlier. I thought you requested it. It's already been looked at. Just rewind the chat. Rewind the show. You can see me do it. Good to hear game here. Thanks, Stuart, man. Isn't JNUG like the ultimate scrub stock? Like that, it's like a meme. It's like a meme stock. We could put JNUG on the list. Remember, like that's like the Wall Street bets, like scrub. Like it started with JNUG. It's like gone beyond that now.
You're my hero, man. Keep it up. Check the PM. Keep the faith, brother. American didn't quit when Germany bombed Pearl Harbor.
Who's with me? Thanks, Philip, man, for the $20 contribution. I gotta get this alert box fixed up, man. Still kind of screwy. Oh, thank you, dude. And the Jesus challenge should have been longer, too. Wow. Thank you. I'm looking at my PMs. Philip, I don't see a PM, a private message, anywhere. So... I just don't know, man. I don't know where I'm supposed to look, man. Thank you, though. Seriously. But yeah, that when those Germans bombed Pearl Harbor, man, get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. Animal House, for those who don't understand what we're talking about. Subliminal Free Television, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Interesting, because like you just subbed. How are you even finding me live if you just subbed? Because you've been in the chat for a while, right? Ooh, Raven Coin, getting gross. Ooh, seller pressure, selling pressure, breaking out of the triangle. Not good. But dude, I FOMO'd into Ravencoin. I need to know when I'm gonna be kings up at the 1,000 sats. You're not gonna be a king, probably. Sweet Anthony, me too. Charts calm me down too. You missed the rip, David Holler, man. It's all good, dude. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, your eyes. It's okay, though. Rest in peace, your live eyes. Your static eyes are okay. You can just rewind and see Tron Connect. I'm on the recommended list now. What does that mean, Julia? I don't understand what that even means. Doesn't seem very recommended to me. What's up, True Stoner? A hater was in the chat? I don't know, man. I have no idea. I don't even know, man. It's all stupid. Everything's stupid. Okay. Everything's stupid, the charts, right? I mean, just like, dude, like, everything's peripheral. Why is everything just like, oh, God, everything's like good, and it's like, boom. Stupid event catalyzes stupid feelings and emotions, and it's all stupid. Okay. Ravencoin bouncing off that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. That's it. Cool. If you break out bearishly at this pennant for real and you get confirmation with some volume, maybe we'll see the measure move. That'll put us at 678 sats. Because who cares? It's a Ravencoin. Stop getting euphoric about stupid Ravencoin. Ravencoin's no different than all the other S coins, even though the nerds will be like, dude, it's so different, man. It's Ravencoin. Dude, it's gonna keep going up, man. I'm mining Ravencoin. That doesn't matter. Trader's market. Don't be blinded by the nerds that have never traded, okay? On this market especially. don't be affected by the nerds that mine and don't trade. Okay, we know this market. There have been many nerds that have come and gone through this freaking chat with their stupid coins and been like, I mine this coin, is so good, man. Back in March and February, y'all remember? Yeah, those nerds are gone, dude. And they're not mining those scrub coins anymore either. Raven coin is nothing different than all the other scrub coins. So just remember, the measure move is 678 of the pennant. If we broke to the upside, we would have seen 986, which is still a lower high than your previous high. So remember, impulse up, you break down your rally, you made your lower high than your previous high, lower high than your previous high, and you're breaking down. And there's a good chance you could break down again. And it wouldn't be weird. We'd wake up tomorrow and be like, Raven coin's at 678 sats. Wow. Nothing's changed at all. Nothing's changed. Raven coin, great. Do we care? Not really. You sent the PM late? Oh, I see. All right, here we go. All right, we got Philip, man. Philip is I think taking some sort of shot of some sort. Hold on. He's got his headphones on. His headphones make him look 10 years younger.
You the man, Mitch. You the man.
Don't mess with Texas. Thanks, Philip, man.
And you know the good stuff.
Oh, Makers mock us. What?
Making me laugh today.
Hey, Jordan G, man, thank you for the 777 repeating, of course. And this is what I was trying to get to. Was Jordan G was C blocking the Makers Macas, Cranberries Vodkas. That's it, man. That was for Philip, the Makers Macas, Jesus mine. And dude, Jordan, man. Jordan! Thanks for the 777. Seriously, man. Thank you, dude. The burst coin in the jar. Right. Well, I'm glad it's making you laugh, alright? I'm not, I'm a little angst. There's a little bit of angst in my heart this evening, alright? So just can't handle me at my sobriety, like for pretty much the entire week. Can't handle me on Friday, then whatever, right? Will Raven coin make my hair grow back? Yeah, Jamie, man, totally, dude. Julia, but that might be your catches, right? I don't know. You might need to clear your catches and see if it still shows up. But Raven coin will let you play defense like... Oh, well, of course. There we go, Stuart. Then all ended. All in. Greg saying monkey ass, I'm sure. All right. It seems like people are upset or laughing. I don't know. You just don't understand, DJ. You just don't understand. All right. That's like a slogan. Okay, that's our slogan on this show. One of the many slogans. Blinded by the nerds. Yeah. Dude, I've been mining for like 6 months, dude. You just don't get it, dude. Why buy Raven now? There's no reason to really buy Raven now. There's not. High risk, nebulous return opportunity. Local dinosaur. Right. See a coin, Greg? We can look at see a coin. I know we had a low risk, high reward opportunity on see a coin. Dude, there's so P3D, Stuart. Just not just one, dude. I don't even remember. There's so many. Odyssey coin, which went nuts. but dude, for like 3 months straight, just straight down before it finally broke out. Okay, 3 months down. Like, think about people getting in on when OCN's marketing budget was getting spent like a strip club, dude. OCN, while it was just tanking and going to the abyss, dude, there was just so many of them. ICN, do you remember ICN getting delisted and stuff, man? Oh my god, dude, I can't even remember. What is it? Cloak coin? Oh, there's so many of them, dude. Yeah, but P3D, Stuart, man, that was the worst. That was one of the worst. Dude, we're not bots, man. Bro, Stuart, we're not bots, man. P3D is the future. You just don't get it, man. Dude, it's POS is like number one, dude. Number one POS. Like, all right, man. Yes, piece of... Yes, we know. We know. Billy cares. Then go all in, capo. All right, John, man. Excellent to hear that you beat... Well, Wyoming won and beat Colorado State. Those scrubs, dude. About to turn my AC on, all right. Can we look at a dumpster fire coin, please? Yeah, we can look at Vibe. Magic the Crack, you want to look at some Vibe, dude? When I think of dumpster fire, I think of Vibe. Don't say that, man. Don't say that, man. Oh, actually, Vibe actually kind of nice break to the upside, finally. Okay, Vibe. I don't know, man. When you ask someone who's been analyzing and charting for a long time for crypto for the year of 2018, Vibe came to mind. It finally broke the upside. Okay, congratulations. Dash is another terrible one. How about we look at Dash, dude? I'm not getting PMs.
Check your PMs from King Logan. It's on.
Oh, it is. Why am I not getting notifications anymore? Okay, here's King Logan. Julia, thanks for the 1618. Much love. All right, much love. What is happening? Why is it doing this to me? I don't know to click. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Are we serious right now? Dude, I don't get Windows 10. It's so high on drugs. Hold on. Alright, here's Kang Logan. Here's Jameson coming in. One shot. Two shots. Oh my god. Here it comes, man. 888. Well, we hit 2888 last night. And how pathetic. We're at 2894. We've gained 6 subs in 24 hours. Oh my god, I'm so proud of my channel. Wow. Wow. That actually hurt my feelings a little bit thinking about that. There you go, Philip, man. You saw the work. You saw the work of King Logan. I'm a little concerned though about notifications. I'm not literally like your name's supposed to be pops up always. It's not doing that now. Very concerned. Raven Coin seems scrubby. It says, yeah, PAL 3D Stuart, man. Christopher Harris, thanks, man. He says thanks for doing the TA and the social time mix. It's unique and you feel lucky to have found the channel. For get what the haters say, you just do you. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. Alex, man, Jules, you trying to exploit the boss? Oh, you're trying to kill the boss. I get it. Hey, Kang Logan, are you going to restore your health before you die? Or are you just going to let someone else become boss? Because it's about to happen, dude. It's about to happen. Julia just took you down to 200. Well, Jules and Julia teamed up to destroy you, and now you're less than 1 sub away from death on the health meter, health bar. Okay. Yeah, dude. Here we go. 11:38. Just 4 minutes ago, King Logan. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not getting the notifications. Just like Philip, I didn't get that. Let's keep my eye on it. It's just not showing up on my side thing. Native Crypto, happy to hear that you do love the show. Very grateful, man. Thank you, dude. I'm glad you're here, man. Seriously, just been rough. Oh my god, Cloak pumped, man. Oh my god, BCN delisting. A very dark day in crypto history, Billy, man. I can't. You know, Billy, man. That's it, dude. Moment of silence. This is for BCN, for Benito and him leveraging his entire family's estate their fortune was lost. Okay.
Please clap.
Just kidding, it's hilarious. I think this one's supposed to say, right? Well, King, look at either way, man. I got your like message up, so if you send something, I'm gonna see it, so it's all good. Stuart, they were trying to say they were making me famous. You remember that? They were like, dude, we're making you famous. You're so lucky. I'm like, dude, no, I'm not. Y'all are, you know, they are stupid. The P3D people. They came in one more time. Do you not remember? They actually came in for a second round. I definitely remember that. So, Lachanga, Billy Lachanga, indeed. I think it's Lachanga, not Chinga. I need a Red Bull Spectre. No, I need other things. No, King Logan. I'm literally looking, and I don't turn people's notifications. That doesn't have. Is that even a thing? Can you even do that, man? I don't think you can. The next person who subs to this channel, I got my eye on you. I know what you're up to. All right, I know what you're up to. Can I do a Patreon plug? What does that mean, Gustavo? Trade setups and education and Discord exclusivity. But at the end of the day, those three things are amenities. The reason why you join the Patreon is solely for the purpose of supporting me, the content creator and streamer, saying, Ray, I think what you do, streaming twice a day for the world, not just America, but for other people in other time zones, I think what you're doing is commendable, and I want you to keep showing up every day and doing that. So I'm going to support you with the Patreon. That's why you join the Patreon. You don't join it for the trade setups, you don't join it for the education, and you don't join it for the Discord exclusivity. You join it to say you want me to keep showing up every day. That's your purpose, not the other thing. Those are great. They're awesome, and there's a lot of value in there. But dude, your sole purpose is not for those amenities. It is to support me so I can continue streaming every day for you. Keep doing free coin requests. Because believe me, man, those tips come and go. For real. Alright. Now, oh my god, Ray made this much. Nah, man. Dude, there's some days I've been showing up and I'm getting like, the tip jar is literally empty when I leave. Okay? After an hour and a half. Alright? So, dude, it's just supporting me. That's what the Patreon's for, Gustavo. Alright, man? And really my team. The team that supports me. Okay? Oh, ETN. I remember that one. Yep, ETN. Yeah, dude. They were going nuts in here, dude. They were freaking out. They were so thirsty, dude. They were desperate. Thanks, Detrice Jenner, man. Appreciate that. Whoever subbed just now, dude, I know you, and you're trying to become a new boss. Stop faking it, dude. Yeah, pretty much, DJ. I am a CGI. Yeah, that moment of silence for Benito. Mama Benito. Yeah, keep unsubbing and resubbing, trying to become... Can somebody please do this? So whoever's fake subbing, and they're unsubbing and resubbing. I can see you. I am Sauron. I see you. What you're doing. It's not cool. Alright? Not cool at all. That'd be a false premise new boss. Whoever the new boss is, they'll be the scrubbiest boss of all time. There we go. Kills for Living's legit.
Less than 8 hours until another tether pump. We gonna learn Chinese. BTC to 7K on Bitfinex. Stay tuned.
Alright, Kills for Living. There's a 301 and becoming the new boss. It's gonna take a minute to kill you. It won't happen though. You will not be killed as a boss tonight, dude. It's Friday night, October 26th. Kings. So when bull run, when we start making consistent higher highs, higher lows, we're not doing that at all. Matching the cracking, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, consistently uptrend and breaking overhead resistance continuously, consistently, over and over and over. We're not doing that, not even close. That's when bull run, Magic the Crackening, and guess what? You keep showing up, and we're gonna keep covering it every day. You will know when there is a chance that we're breaking to the upside and having and building and manifesting that bull run. But it doesn't happen overnight ever. Magic the Crackening, we got your back, dude. All right, so just keep hanging out. Cocaine and Red Bull, yeah. Spectre, all right, let me get some cocaine, man. Oh yeah, man. Is that how it works? I don't know. You took $2K from your life insurance and in 2 hours made it $9.84 in this market. Stuart, man. What about Storm though? Storm, you must have tripled it. Thanks, Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures. Corn futures are down. I know, MK, man, I know, but like, dude, SEC stuff, man. Liability, and I have to be very careful about liability. Okay, I have to protect myself, man. I can't. Dude, people like just looking for it, man, all the time, dude. I know. Hey, man, the only one I actually did and got away with, like I did one, it leaked through. It was that Nvidia trade. It worked. It worked out. But no, I've never been able to do another one. Like, it's very easy and fun though. Cryptomons, just look above you. Okay. Magic the Crackening is Sauron. Why are you not Magic the Sauroning? What's up, Bitcoin Jedi in the house? Did you buy some Yeti today? Some Yeti IPO? Some Generation Recon. Dead as F. What happened, dude? You too, Magic Man. You too, man. So John McCa. Oh my God, John McAfee's here. Oh my God. What's up, Eva? Just getting the chat, trying to that Dow trend line's holding perfect today. Is it, man? Magic the Fappening suggested this was apple juice. Ah. King Logan coming in. Okay, hold on. What? Magic the Fappening thinks this is apple juice. Here you go. I think we got another one coming. Okay, hold on. Yep. That's 4 tonight. And number 5 is the Quint screen. 1 shot per screen on our alternative screen, right? Or 1 shot per chart on our alternative screen. Excuse me. There you go, Magic the Fappening. What say you? What say you? It was still down.
I feel like the next bull run will be different. It seems like the altcoins will gradually rise with Bitcoin, until Bitcoin sees all-time highs, then Bitcoin will run and alts will fall. My opinion, obviously.
Well, Jordan G, man, I'm going to take that as financial advice, man, and then go ahead and just sue you. Just kidding, man. Jordan G, man, thank you for the 777, dude. The burst coin contribution. Much love, man. Yeah, he thinks that the altcoins will gradually rise with Bitcoin until Bitcoin sees all-time highs, and that could be a very, very long time. Okay, it could be an extremely long time till we see 20K again, or 19.9, because we didn't even touch 20 ever. All right, never touched 20,000. So it could be a minute. All right, but if we get it, wow, I don't even know what to say. If we hit 20K again and double top, I'd be taking stupid profit at 20K again. All right, and you should too. Even if we keep going, take profit, have stops set up. All right. I think the problem was people they didn't have stops set up. They didn't even know what they were looking at on the charts. They're like, oh man, just Bitcoin's gonna just keep going up, man. Whatever. I'm just looking at a number, not a chart, right? Yeah, AMD lost 45% of its value in a week or something. Stuart, kind of hilarious. Magic says getting down on that apple juice, Logan. Shots fired. E-Ren, I see you, dude. You don't have to have a wrench. No, you don't. But there's a pretty tight-knit community, and that's it. So. There's no percentage chance of a break to the upside or downside, Justin, man. Looking at Bitcoin now. Look at the daily. Okay, I want you to see, Justin, so there can be no doubt in your mind what's happening. And unfortunately, the daily is going to give you doubt a little bit. Okay, it's good, but it'll make you understand, like, thy will be done on Bitcoin. All right. Here's your daily, Justin Davis, man. Your equidistant channel that's downsloping. You also have your fractal, touch point 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, pretty much, right? You have that downsloping stuff, converging trend lines, equating to a falling wedge. You have that bullish divergence on the daily. We're holding on to that positive momentum, just kind of going sideways, lateral, not losing any. But if we did get a break to the downside, we would see almost certainly triple MACD, bullish divergence, but you'd have to make sure it was on low scrub volume on the breakdown. Remember, here's what's crazy. You see this golden trend line right here. That we started accumulating, started having more people holding Bitcoin than we had before every time, every low. Right back on June 24th is when it all started. Since then, higher lows consecutively. And now here we are, the downsloping resistance where we've been unable to break to higher highs than previous highs. And now since June 24th, we've been making higher lows than previous lows. We are contracting, we are coiling up, we are running out of room on where to go. Within a week to 2 weeks, it's done, man. A move to the upside and downside's coming, man. You're just out of room. Market is interpreting both these trend lines. That is, one is upsloping, one is downsloping, and we're at the end, man. At end of the line, on Bitcoin. Right, that's it. Finally, we've been waiting. Remember, we were here, and this same stuff was here. It still existed. This all this open white space. The white space is about done. Okay, that's it. Yep. John McAfee says Bitcoin by 1 million or 1 million by tomorrow. Or McAfee eats his. Yep. No, he didn't do that. He's a scrub, losing liar. What a Welch. And crypto 2 times. That's interesting, man. I don't know what to say to that. Just getting through chat. Thanks, go Cox. Gamecocks? South Carolina? Is that what you're talking about? Justin, man? Who y'all playing on Saturday? Tomorrow? If you're talking about the Gamecocks. If you're not something, you're literally talking about Go Cox, then that is your choice. and I completely have no problem with what your preference is. It's all good, man. All right. What's happening? Get to see what drunk you bought, sober you into. What are you talking about, Greg, man? Are you drunk, man? I don't understand. MK says he feels sorry for Botcoin just holding 6,400 for weeks. No, MK. No. Not weeks. Month. Month now, MK, man. 1 month. 32 days or something stupid. Okay. Everyone's pissed about Batcoin. Don't be pissed about Batcoin, man. It's the future. Oh man, I tried it. I don't understand Batcoin that well yet. I tried it. It doesn't have night mode yet. It doesn't have night mode. How does it not have? How do you have a browser and not have night mode? I can't have day mode on a browser. Okay, I'm sorry. It's kind of a big deal. No, Billy, I do not have a dog. Do you have a dog? Let us know. How Strong also says go Cox, and also more power to you if you're into that. But if you're going for the Gamecocks, then who are y'all playing tomorrow? Is it a big game? I don't know. Oh no, DJ man, you're asking. See, I used Brave browser. I couldn't get it hooked up. I don't know, man. I had someone very nice in our Discord who was very helpful, but I just still couldn't get it hooked up, and I was just like, whatever, right? The night mode killed me. It killed me. I see the Dow and S&P maybe pumping to the upside, Generation Recon. Maybe. Because we're seeing some pretty severe bullish divergence. But I think what will happen is when we pump to the upside, dude, we will make lower highs than our previous highs. Then we'll have those highs that were lower than those previous highs. We'll have consecutive lower highs. And we'll break down and we'll make a third consecutive lower low. And so we'll just continue down. Generation Recon, I think that's a real big possibility. Just based on the monthly and the weekly bearish divergence we've been seeing for the entire year, we've been developing bearish divergence. I think that's so big and so significant that I think our move down would be a lot more tremendous than what people might anticipate. Dude, you don't just get monthly bearish divergence over the course of like a year and just, man, no big deal. Like, dude, it's a big deal. It's not a joke. Significant time scales like that, all right? So, but hey, man, that's why we have patterns charted, because we very well, that could be wrong, right? It could be wrong, and we could bounce and run to the upside, right? Dow Jones is not broken out yet of its trend. It's been in. It's not broken out yet, all right? You have one Bitcoin to sell me for 6,400 next year. MK, we'll see, man. I'll let you know, okay, dude? I'll let you know if I want to buy it, all right? But hey, your word is your bond now, though, because what happens if Bitcoin's 10K next year? That's awesome, right? Just hold it for me, okay, dude? Do I think Link's gonna retrace for shooting higher? Well, we've been looking at Link the past few days, right? We've been looking at it for a while. This thing's been analyzed a billion times, but a couple days, in a row, people have been wanting it. Well, based on this price action, I think we go lower. I think we would go lower. Okay. Huge spike to the upside. You break down, and then you retrace. You make your lower highs, your significantly lower highs in your previous highs. We should break down to lower prices first. That's the way I think it will happen, Anthony. Lower prices first. Okay. Failing to break back above that 75% trend line of our equidistant channel. That isn't a joke. It isn't. We just charted this, man. We've had this charted for a long time. Okay, we had this charted. Everything's being respected quite well. Heartline 25, 75, lower prices. Very real possibility. It doesn't even make sense why we would make higher prices after we just made lower highs. So your bots are like, okay, man, we made lower highs. Time to sell off and find some demand until we hit it. All right. Anthony, hope that helps, man. Hope that helps. That's it. Who am I going for? Florida, Georgia? Biggest cocktail on the planet? E-Ren's? Good question, man. That was a good question. How does it benefit Bama? I don't think it does. Yeah, maybe it does. I think if Florida wins, went on to play Georgia. And that's how it works. So maybe go Florida. I guess go Florida because of that specific reason. And correct me if I'm wrong, chat. But if Florida wins, Bama doesn't have to play Georgia. Or yeah, Bama plays Florida in the SEC. If Bama beats LSU, if that's it. Literally it. I like this song, man. It's pretty lit, dude. Bitcoin Andy, what happened? Master CNN does all the thinking for me. Oh my God, Bitcoin Andy, are you okay? Can we? All right, Bitcoin Andy, what we're gonna do for you? Let's start the music. Start the music, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2. We're gonna do an exorcism for Bitcoin Andy. The power of the Jesus man compels you. The power of the Jesus man compels you, Bitcoin Andy, man. Please be released. You're exercising you. Okay, man. Bitcoin Andy, let us know if you're okay, man. Alright, let us know. No need to be brainwashed. We got your back. Alright. Glad you made it. Oh, you're in Jacksonville right now? E-Rim was going to be lit tomorrow. Enjoy it. Enjoy the festivities and the culture, most importantly. Don't get too caught up on the sides of it. Just enjoy the food, drink, and revelry of tradition, which is college football. Which is beautiful, Iran, okay? That's it. Oh, no, DJ, I have not seen that. You've been released, Bitcoin Andy. It's okay, man. He got corn on his head, but don't call him a cornhead. Cornhead! That's it, dude. Look at me. Bitcoin Andy feels much better. Let's give a big round of applause.
Please clap.
All right, man, we did it, man. What's up, Peyton Manning as a sex offender? Welcome. Glad you made it, dude. If Bitcoin doesn't replace money, it has no purpose. What about gold? Oh, not necessarily, right, man? Crypto 2 times.
You're the man, brah. Oh
No.
yeah. Oh
No.
yeah. Oh yeah.
You are, man. Crypto 2 times. These are $25 freaking, man.
Can you cover that scrub stock snug tongue in XRM?
Yeah, J-Nug, dude. J-Nug. It's like the Wall Street Bets, like, poster child. It used to be, anyway. Dude. Crypto 2 times. Thanks so much, man. Seriously, dude. Seriously. God. Fantastic, dude. I say, can't believe it, man. Like, it's just tough, dude. Like, it's surprising, you know. It's just very surprising and just very, very humbling. Thank you, dude.
Sensei, could you check it? Are we still G's? Here are some force 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4
Yeah. Thanks so much, Leroy Jenkins, man. Not too bad. I don't know what else we could really do there. Fantastic. Fantastical. Alright, dude. What are you gonna do, man? You can't do anything here. It's a joke. It's a huge joke. Even this is a joke. This is a joke, man. What's not a joke is what's going on now, right? Take heed of this. Right? You just got like anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, whatever, and then just one on the bottom, and you can clearly see you got an anchor point, support on this heart line, support on the heart line. I don't know, man, not really supporting the 75, but around it and bring back up to the upside. Okay, so people could argue, hey Ray, man, remember, maybe you, if that's the case, maybe you should only be using this, which is fine. Like if you do that, I still think it makes sense, right? Because you're, look, bottom to top, right? You disregard all of that, and this is all we have here. Okay, heartline respect is pretty formidable. Resistance, support. But again, still resistance on the 75 now, at least. Resistance on the 75. Resistance on the 75. I mean, you know, and then 25% support. So you could disregard a huge breakdown in the motion. You run the upside tank. You're just including everything from the top to bottom. Normalization. Probably makes the most sense. Right, so, anyway. There's your J-Nug. Remember, huge downtrend, alright? Huge run up and then tanked. Is there a pattern? Probably not. No pattern, dude. That's no pattern. Don't say that's some sort of pattern, dude. Or what is that, a pattern? Is it a falling wedge, man? Is it totally a falling wedge? Not really, dude. Give me a break. But you would have it there just because, like, it doesn't make sense where we're dropping.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh, it feels so good!
Hey, King Logan, dude. Streamlabs, come on, dude. Thanks for the 1792 of cryptocurrency, man. Thank you, dude. Seriously. Wow. What's happening? God. Thank you, man. What is going on? Ooh, okay. What is this? What is this? So there's different, like, things on Streamlabs to, like, let me see what's going on. I could see your dollar amount, but then on this other one, I can actually see that you tipped Ethereum. It's just ridiculous, man. Okay, I don't know anymore. I don't even get it. So, J-Nugs, man. Downtrend. Let's look at the daily. Makes more sense. Get your daily. Ooh. Can I touch one? Oh, that makes super sexy. Alright. You were so oversold. So oversold. August. The most oversold we've ever... On the daily. The most oversold you've ever been in August, right? Oh my god. Lowest low of all time. Great. Maybe forming a pretty 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points on your falling wedge pattern. And on the daily, I guess forming some bullish divergence, whatever. It's okay, man. You got definitely some bullish divergence on the daily, right? And penny price extra reversal. Just remember, the trend you're in is extremely bearish, man. Extreme. Oh my god, we broke down. What did we do? Swing high to swing low. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, we ran up and hit the 382. Oh my god. Maybe we're just bear pull bear flagging. And we just filled the gap. That's all we did. We ran up to fill this stupid gap. Oh, you know what this is, man, right? Well, Ray, that looks like a rising wedge. We look like scrubs. We look like scrubs. And guess what? Oh my god, Ray, I can't believe it. I'm gonna lose my freaking mind. We showed bearish divergence on the MACD. God. What's wrong with this crap, dude? No wonder it's a Wall Street bet scrub stock. Rising wedge. Okay. XRM just scared the crap out of me. It looks so weird. Here's your Ethereum. Ethereum. What a gap up. Oh my god. You had an open and close of 669 and you gapped up to literally 1330. I can't even believe this. Ethereum Technologies. Holy god. Let's go the wow. Are we going to go weekly? No, we don't want to go weekly. We're okay. Very, very sideways. Let's go the weekly. Screw it, man. Let's see this overall trend. Is it upsloping? Not really. Nah, not really. Let's play it like this. Okay. Is it that great, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know if it's that great, man, because we're just gapping up to 86 on the RSI, downtrend. All right. I don't know, man. Critical areas of resistance are right here. I don't know what to tell you on a gap up like this. I just don't know what to tell you, man. It's just so weird on XRM. This is a weekly. Let's go to the daily. Whatever, man. Who cares? Hello? Hello? Great short opportunities, maybe? Yeah, probably. But whatever. XMR. Oh my god. What have you done to me? My god. Well, in that case, we'll go to XMR next. We'll go to XMR after HIPH. Quite the craziness, right? American Premium Water Corporation. It's the main competitor to Turv Coin. Here's your fart. Billy, here's your fart coin, or your fart stock. What do you even want me to do, man? How do I even scale it? I can't even scale it, Billy, man. What do you want me to do, man? Billy, man, come on. What do I do here? Not even anything I can chart. Oh man, all in, we did it, man, we did it. Oh my god, man, we did it. American Premium Water Corporation. Oh my god. Yeah. What do you want? Hey man, Billy, what do you even want anymore, dude? Okay. Picture's blurry, Billy. No, you're blurry. What's up, GXRP, man? Glad you made it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be getting out of here very soon, okay? I'm just getting to this chat. Alright, I missed it. Okay. Missed a decent amount doing these analyses. Which way is it going to go, man? Which way? Oh my god, man. Probably not up. Probably down some more. But even upsloping trend, man. Oh, sorry, we're such kings, man. We're such kings. Look to see us retrace between the... Look, man. Swing low to swing high. Hey, ooh, here we are. 618. 5.81 cents. Oh my god. Can't hold 5.8 cents. We're going to be coming down to 4.8 cents. Can't hold that. Coming down to 3.57 cents. Oh my god, man. So crazy. Over and over and over again. Alright, okay. That's it. Monero was rounding out and scrubbing out now, and well-established downtrend's been going on for quite some time. Going on, man, since April 22nd, but we hit our pinnacle, our all-time highs around maybe right? Yeah, March 7th. So things have just gotten worse and worse and worse for ye that is Monero, with the heartline respect that is so powerful. 75% trend line, which is so well respected, bringing the upside, but doing nothing, making lower highs than our previous highs. Had this uptrend and we broke it like scrubs, man. So guess what we're gonna do? Screw it. Triangle measure move was so wide. Screw it. Screw it all, man. Monero, though it is making higher lows, swing low to swing high, right around that 50% retrace. Maybe we could reverse our price action to the upside, but guess what, man? Not looking so good, is it? Oh, right? No, not much, man. Not very good looking. Okay. What is this? Just some huge, stupid triangle now, man? This is what's going on in life? An arrow, some stupid triangle. I'm too drunk to taste this chicken. Colonel Sanders, that's my trainer. Y'all don't even know. Colonel Sanders and me go way back. There you go. Maybe a big old large sim triangle forming right now, but maybe not. Maybe not. You just keep in mind that we're in a bear trend, and we've been in a bear trend for a lot of this year, okay? All right. This chat, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'll be getting out of here, okay? Craze, Maine. Do you not see the magnified ticker I have specifically for you and many others that don't know what we're looking at? It is right next to that big B up there. The countdown, 3 days, 23 hours and 36 minutes until Bitcoin hits its 10-year anniversary. The countdown will remain a thing until we do it, and then it's counting down to our Halloween party show that's gonna be insanely lit on Wednesday night, October 31st. Hope you're all here, right? Don't miss it. If you do, you're missing out on a good time. Holy crap. I'm about to go drink some Irwin coffee, man. Seriously, or something. Thanks, Coffee Crypto, man. Speak of the dope. Thanks, Julia. You too. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been such a wonderful show. Thank you all so much for being here, being a part of my life. Get me through the trying, troubling times of IRL.
One more scrub coin mod.
Mr. Noted All, sorry man, TTS, the request, all that stuff's $3. I just had to reset my alert box and didn't set it to 3. So, getting out of here. Alright. So, I'll be back tomorrow. Again, thank you all so much for the contributions, the love, support. It means everything. Been live for 2 hours and 25 minutes now. And I did a day stream that lasted 3 hours. Alright, so I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time. Respect the T. Hey.
Sorry.
Here you go, Mr. Noted All, man. For you, dude. Your last second. Can't scam. Alright, so you go anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. You can see that heart line. Respect. 25% respect. Respect puh. Respect puh. 75% respect puh. And the 100% respect. And tankage. Huge tankage. Lower highs than our previous highs. You're in a downtrend. Don't forget the downtrend you're in. Alright, man. I could have argued that you had 1 and 2 and 3. An uptrend and a downtrend. And I think you're just back within the parameters of it. Expect prices to maybe hit a 1080, 1000, or 1100, 1090 down here at the bottom of the channel. Probably your best risk value. Your best lowest risk areas with the highest value opportunities may be down here, but not sure just because it's a downtrend, not an uptrend. All right, Mr. Noted All. Hope that helps, dude. Hope that helps. Love y'all. I'll be back tomorrow. So see ya then. Respect the GA.